the speed limit and they pulled me over. I don't know why I'm getting pulled over.
Ma'am, do you have your driver's license, registration, and insurance?
I don't know why she's pulling me over. I was not speeding. Yeah. Excuse me, ma'am, why am I getting pulled over?
Because the license plate on your car comes back to a different vehicle.
Because the license plate on my car comes back to a different... Ma'am, this is a rental. I got it from my mom.
Okay.
My phone just went.
I still need your license, registration, and insurance.
I don't know the registration. It's not my
Okay,
phone.
well, can you take a look, please? Is this your vehicle, or whose car is it?
I don't know. It's a friend of my mom's. I just took it to work.
Okay. Do you know what this friend's name is?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. So how am I supposed to confirm whose car this is so it's not stolen? If you don't know whose car it is, where you got it from?
Charge.
And do you have your driver's license with you? Ma'am, do you have a driver's license or no?
Yes, I have a driver's license.
Then provide me with your driver's license.
On me. Do you want my name? Tykeria.
So you do not have a driver's license on you, is that what you're saying? Ma'am, whoever you're calling is not important right now.
Yes, it is, because you need stuff that I don't
need your driver's license first. I need some sort of ID, something. You said you don't have a driver's license on you.
What is this stopping people from following the law?
On you, so
it's my book bag. Do you want it?
I want your license or an ID.
Oh, it's in the book bag. Would you like it to grab it?
Yes, that is what I've been asking you to do.
Before you know it, she's not kind of any under arrest because they just want her to prove her legality of like handling the car. You're not just supposed to drive. You're not under arrest, okay? Stuff like this, you just need to show a driver license and you're on your way.
Do you have any driver's license, ID card, nothing like that? Just this?
My license were in there, but I didn't have. I checked them when I work.
You know, where did you pick this up? You picked this up from your mom's house? Where?
Yeah, my mom, she brought it home.
Okay. So your mom's using the car that she got from her friend, and since it was at your mom's house, you're using it to go to work.
Yes.
Okay.
She let me use it to go to work with me.
Okay. Can you give your mom a call and then see if she knows?
My phone was dead.
Your phone isn't dead.
It doesn't have no service, ma'am.
Okay. So who are you just on the phone with then?
That was my mom. It was on this phone, ma'am.
Okay, so can you call her then?
It's dead.
You don't have a charger?
No.
Okay. So, how did you just talk to her then?
The phone went dead.
You see the magic in the US for how this case is being solved, okay?
Ma'am, can you step out of the car, please?
Am I being arrested?
No, you're being detained, as everyone is during a traffic stop. And since I can't figure out what's going on, you're going to step out of the car until I figure out what's going on.
I'm confused. Why am I stepping out of the car for?
Because I'm telling you to. Step out of the car now, or I'll make you step out of the car. I'm not going to ask one again. This is your last chance to do it on your own.
I'm confused, but this don't make no sense. I'm stepping out of the car for a reason. So you should have put handcuffs on me.
No, I'm not, unless you refuse to step out.
Shit, bro. Like, this shit be aggravating.
You can step over here. Over here. Ma'am, over here.
That way.
This way.
I don't want to be disrespectful. Listen.
I'm calling you ma'am.
You see all this aspect of being disrespectful, this attitude of being disrespectful thing is going to earn you a spotlight somewhere. No, you're only going to end up having more charges in court and like what's this?
Ma'am, over here. Over here, please. Can you come over here, please?
I can hear you.
Then why aren't you doing it? I'm asking you nicely. I'm saying,
I don't want you to touch me. Because I didn't do anything wrong.
okay. Man, put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back now.
I don't need you over here. She got me. Oh, what the bro? There, stop. All right, my chest, bro. My chest, bro. That shit hurt. That shit hurt. Bro, that shit hurt. Stop. Bro, that shit hurt. Bro, my arm used to be broke. That shit hurt. Bro.
Try one.
Bro, come on, you stop. You twisted my wrist. What the f***?
Stop moving now.
Got it? Hey, it's gonna go.
Let's go.
All right.
You can first have the book.
Bro, no. Why are you trying to take my phone? Why are you trying to take
Nope.
Bro, oh my God, bro. I'm finna sue this shit, bro. I'm finna sue y'all, bro. My mama, bro. Bro. Bro, my mama, bro. I'm finna sue y'all, bro.
Stop moving now.
No, you're not even being civilized. You're not even being civilized, bro. Bro,
Let go. What's in your pocket?
my phone.
And let go.
For what? Bro, my arm, bro. I swear to God, bro. Okay, can you get off my video?
Stop.
All right, I'm trying to twist over so you can get the phone. He lay on it.
I have your phone.
Okay, can you get off my wrist? It hurts. I don't have nothing else in my pocket. You twisting my wrist. Oh, what the fuck? This shit broken. You was twisting my wrist.
Are you going to stand up?
You was twisting my wrist.
Are you going to stand up?
I don't want me to stand up. He's standing on me. And you twisting my wrist. You just...
You can see all the way she's behaving and everything she's behaving, thinking they're going to let her be. It just aggravates to your pain and stuff like this. Because if you could just follow orders, hey, step out of the car, and you step out and you're being handcuffed because you refuse to take orders and you follow, you won't end up in this situation like this. Like, watch this.
You just let me to the fucking ground. I'm sorry, can I make a complaint? Can I please? I feel a heartbeat in my throat.
Ma'am.
Get off of
Quiet
me.
down.
Oh
Stop screaming.
my God.
What is wrong?
Oh my God.
What is wrong?
My finger.
No, your finger is fine.
It's my wrist.
Sit down.
Ow, 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 my wrist. Ow.
Sit.
Ow, my wrist, sir. Can you
Sit.
please
Ma'am,
sit
Sit.
Bro, my wrist, bro.
Sit down.
Sit.
Oh my
Put your
God.
feet in the car.
Oh, my wrist,
Your
sir.
feet.
I can't feel my wrist. I can't feel my wrist. I'm trying to be civil.
Put your foot in the
I
car.
can't feel my wrist.
There must be something up in this car.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely there is. Oh, she's got a driver's license. That's why she happened.
This is a lesson to all sovereign citizens, as you always call yourself. You don't take advice from TikTok videos. You understand? What is to be done has to be done. Because you kind of go around taking ideas from social medias, how to trick the police, how to navigate things you're supposed to do the other way. No, you don't trick the police. once you're being stopped for a traffic violation or something, you have to stop, because that is the only way we kind of respect you, give you what you need, and you give us what we need. Like, we ask for your license and stuff. Like, you shouldn't try to boycott things. Now you could see her trying to cry, try to create a scenario of she can't feel her rigs and all that. You are the one who caused this. And again, she was being charged to court, and all this kind of stuff like this didn't end up well. You can't be driving a car, you don't know the owner, you say your mother's friend owns the car, you don't know your mother's friend's name. How is that even possible? Are you driving a car to work and all that? What if it's a stolen car? So things like this, you got to learn from them, and we all learn from them, because we can't just escape stuff like this. You have to face the law to give what is right. So next time, sovereign citizens, learn your rights and how to navigate situations like this. If you love this, subscribe to the channel and watch other contents like this on this channel. Peace out.